C and A intersect complement B. So and A intersect not B. That's what complement B means. So that means all the numbers in A besides the numbers in B, I need to get a sum of all those elements. That will be 2 plus 3 plus 7. I cannot include 5 because 5 is also part of B. So not B, we don't want B. You can also write this as A minus B. It's the same thing as 2 plus 3 7, which is equal to 12. That's the answer. Alright. Question 7. A rectangular field is 16 meters long, 12 meters wide. Both measurements are given correct one to the nearest meter. Calculate the largest possible area of the field. Okay, so we have a rectangular field. Rectangular field, 16 meters long and 12 meters wide. So to the nearest meters. Alright, so meter, 1 meter. So I'll divide that to the nearest meter, allows me to be able to say, okay, 1 meter divided by 2, 0.5 meters. So if I want the largest area possible, I would add 0.5 meters there, add 0.5 meters here, and that would give me 12.5 meters as my width and 16.5 meters as my long side. So to get the area, we would say area will be equals to 16.5 meters times 12.5 meters, and that will give us 206.25 meters squared. So that is the largest possible area. The largest possible area is 206.25 meters squared. Alright. Now if they wanted the least, this is not asked in the question, but I think it's important to also bring this point across. So if they wanted the least possible area, I would say my long side, the length would be 16 meters minus 0.5. So that will give me 15.5, and the width would be 12 meters minus 0.5 meters. So that will give me 11.5 meters. So go ahead and calculate the area from here. Would be 15.5 multiplied by 11.5 and 8.25. You can see it's the least possible area because it's less than the largest possible area. Okay, but this is not part of the question. This is not part of the question. Let me just highlight it in blue to indicate that was not part of the question. This is the correct answer for the question 7. Right. Welcome. Question 8 it is: the annual rainfall in 2017 for Opuo. Opuo is an area in Namibia. Was 420 millimeters. The annual rainfall in 2018 was 12% more than in 2017. Find the annual rainfall in 2018. So the one in 2017 was 420. So assuming that this was 100%. So the one in 2018 was 12% more. So what I'll do is I would say to get the one for 2018, I would say x is equal to 420 millimeters multiplied by 100 plus 12% divided by 100. Okay, so that should give us 470.4 millimeters. So that was the rainfall. So this I can also write as 420 times 112% over 100 gives us 470 millimeters. So 470.4 millimeters was the rainfall in 2018. Now B says it is given that the rainfall in 2017 of 420 was 25 more than the rainfall in 2016. So find the annual rainfall in 2016. So the one that they have given us was 25 than the one in 2016. So we want to find how much it was in 2016 if the one in 2017, the rainfall of 420 was actually as a result of multiplying the rainfall in 2016, which is x, which we do not know, by, it was 25 more than by 1, assuming that in 2016 it was 100. So it was 25% more. X times 125. That gave us 420. So now we want to find out what is this x? So here we just solve for x. And 125 divided by 100 is the same thing as 420 is equal to x times 1.25. Therefore, divide by 1.25, divide by 1.25. That will cancel out, and that will give me, that will give us rainfall of 336 millimeters. 336 millimeters. So that's it for question 8. Question 9. When written as the product of its prime factors, 108 can be expressed as 2 squared times 3 squared. Write 96 as the product of its prime factors. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that. 96 divided by 1 gives us 96. So 2 is is a product of its prime factors. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, and the list goes on. So in this case, we need to start with the prime number. Okay, 1 is not a prime number. I had 96 divided by 1. That gives us 96. We've done nothing. So if we divide 96 by 2, what does that give us? For 96 divided by 2, or 9 divided by 2, that gives us 4, remainder 1. So take that 1, place it in front of 16, of 6 becomes 16 divided by 2, that gives us 8. So 48, 96 divided by 2 gives us 48, and 48 divided by 2, 48 divided by 2 gives us how much? That is 24, and 24 divided by 2 gives us 12, 12 divided by 2 gives us 6, 6 divided by 2, 3, 3 divided by, well, only divide by 3 now, so 3, there we go, 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, right? So 96 as a product of its prime factor goes to 2. How many 2 are there? 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, that is 5 times 3. So this is 2. Well, employing laws of indices, if you multiply if the bases are the same when multiplying, then you add the powers. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gives us 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 1, because it's only 3. So that is writing 96 as a product of its prime factor. 96 is equals to 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power 1. Alright, so that's it for this one.